Today, we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 454 different strategies, with 140 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved on a live trading account, trading the Academy of Forex indicator and the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 353 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,061 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says, secret trading strategy banks huge profits, works on everything. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what I'm going to do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the higher high, lower low strategy with source code, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings. And under the inputs, you're going to change the left bar and the right bar both to 9. You're going to uncheck this support and resistance option. You're then going to jump into the styles, and you're going to uncheck the higher low and the lower high, and then click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the quantum bands indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we are going to jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is under the period right here, we're going to change that to 21. Then going to jump into the styles and uncheck these four options, the two backgrounds and the two signals right there, and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we're looking for when we get a lower low tag like this right here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our line and we're going to mark that the close of that candle right there. And then what we're going to do is we are going to look for price action to break this line to the downside. And when we pick up this tag like this here, we don't want any other tag in between. If we picked up a lower low tag, then we would mark that next level and try again. And if we picked up a higher high tag, then it just negates the whole situation and we start over looking for either the opposite or another one of these. And so once we get the break to the downside of that structure, what we're then looking for is price to break the lower band of the quantum bands indicator at the same time like it does right here. And so when those two line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above this pivot area here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really strong push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for a higher high tag like this right here. When we pick up the higher high tag, again, we're going to mark the close of that candle right there. And then what we're going to look for is we're going to look for a break to the upside of this structure like it does right here. And again, no tags in between like so. And once again, what we're looking for is the same time this candle breaks the structure, we're looking for it to close outside the upper band of the quantum bands indicator. You can see it does so right here. And that'll be our signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one takes a little bit longer, but we eventually make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for an overall gain of $1,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy, but also not a great strategy. And so after you factor in commissions and spreads and stuff along those lines, wouldn't have been a huge profit to be gained, but profitable nonetheless. Now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 69 trades altogether. We had 57 winning trades and 12 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $34,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $19,800. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $34,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we're still at winning trade number 70. Haven't taken any trades this last week or this weekend, but that's 70 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. It's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned in this video just a moment ago. And backtesting, the combination was so powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. Even though it wasn't wonderful, still was able to maintain a profitability. And so it'll go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.